Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. My name is Prasanna and this video is the 15th and the final episode of my epic road trip to Kardungla, the highest motorable road in the world. If you're new to my channel, do check out my previous episodes to see how we reached till here. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications on all of my adventure bike rides. The place you're seeing is a viewpoint en route Kardungla and that town is Leh. We were finally just a few kilometers away from our dream destination. Although we faced a lot of challenges for the past 10 days, we thoroughly enjoyed each and every moment of the epic journey. We met a Canadian traveler at the viewpoint and he tagged along with us for a few kilometers. We started riding. The roads were very narrow and it was damn cold. Temperature was 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. I actually felt like I was living the dream. There was a checkpost where we had to submit the inner line permits.
Is there any Xerox shop here? Or...
Is there any shop for Xerox?
Unfortunately, the Canadian did not have a photocopy of the permit, hence he had to go back all the way to Leh town.
This is important. Why did he not tell me? Yeah, from where did you get the permit?
From like a travel person, like.
They should have told you that.
Yeah, right? Like, why would they not tell you? Yesterday we got the.
How much did you pay them for?
When we got the permit, we were given photocopies along with that.
We could feel the altitude in our body. There were even some oxygen supply centers. Luckily, we did not need one. As I was riding the last phase to my destination, I started thinking about the first time I spoke about this ride and how long it has taken for me to be here. Boom! The journey didn't lack challenges till the last moment, guys. Just 3 kilometers before the Kardungla peak was a very tough water crossing. Even the military trucks found it difficult to cross. Jay slipped with his bike and the footrest broke. Look at my bike, guys, how beautiful and shining. When I started the ride, a lot of people told me that it is very far. But I felt it is the closest heaven where I could take my bike. Finally, after crossing so many different states, cities, towns, meeting different people, culture, etc., we reached the mighty Kardungla, the highest motorable road in the world. We rode our bikes to an altitude of 18,000 feet above sea level, guys. Can you believe that? It was one hell of an experience. We had a sense of accomplishment. We thought we'll reach Kardungla by 9 am because we started at 6 o'clock, but the time was already 11:30 am. We spent some time at the top of the world taking pictures and interacting with the other riders near the famous mighty Kardungla stone.
छत्रपति धर्मवीर संभाजी महाराज की छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज की
We all started to feel a bit dizzy due to the altitude and also due to lack of proper sleep last night, and we had a cup of coffee at the world's highest cafe. The time was already 1 PM and we were all very tired. We cancelled our plans to visit the Nubra Valley and the Pangong Lake and decided to rest at our room for the day. We had to get ready for the ride back to Delhi the next day, guys. So with this video, we have come to the end of the Ladakh series. Hope you all enjoyed this journey with me. Do check out my other episodes as well and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications on my upcoming bike rides. See you in the next video.